Happy birthday, Mama Juan. I love you. Stay happy and stay healthy always.
Happy birthday, Lola. Salamat po palagi kayo nandyan ni Daddy John para sa amin. Thank you rin po kay Daddy John. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Juan. Ingat ka palagi. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Mama Juan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. Sana po humaba pa po yung buhay mo at ingat po palagi. Love you. And thank you po sa lahat ng ginagawa mo po sa amin. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. You are the best woman and stay healthy and sana humaba pa buhay mo. Love na love ka namin. Yun lang, love you so much.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thanks sa pagiging mabuting lola sa amin. Ingat ka palagi. I love you. Happy birthday, Lola. Sana masaya ka sa my birthday mo. I love you. Birthday, Mama Juan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Juan. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Juan. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Juan. Ingat kang palagi. Kala.